Welcome to Position Matters, where your opinion matters and curiosity thrives. In this video, we are delving into the world of firearms to uncover the most beautiful gun ever made. That's where you come in. We have assembled a stunning collection of the finest firearms, showcasing the ingenuity and craftsmanship of various eras and manufacturers. Now, it's up to you, our esteemed community, to cast your vote and determine the ultimate winner or suggest an undiscovered gem. The stage is set, the contenders are ready, and the countdown has begun. It's time to pull the trigger on the quest for the most beautiful gun ever made. Walther PPK is made famous by James Bond. This compact pistol has a classic elegance and refined design that make it a standout in any collection. Most commonly chambered in 9mm short but also available in 7.6mm Browning. Luger P08 is a German pistol with a distinctive toggle lock mechanism and sleek lines that make it a standout in any gun collection. It is widely regarded as one of the most beautiful guns ever made. Remington Model 870 is a classic pump-action shotgun that has been in production for over 70 years. The Model 870 is both rugged and elegant with its smooth lines and polished finish. It has become one of the most popular and widely used shotguns in history. Colt Python is considered by many to be the finest revolver ever made. The Python features a sleek design and outstanding accuracy that make it a true work of art. Mauser C96 is also known as the broom handle. This semi-automatic pistol has a unique shape and distinctive design that makes it a standout in any collection. The Mauser C96, also known as the broom handle, is a semi-automatic pistol that is renowned for its distinctive design and historical significance. Smith & Wesson Model 29 is made famous by Clint Eastwood in the Dirty Harry movies. This revolver is a powerful and visually striking piece with its large frame and polished finish. It was first introduced in 1955 by Smith & Wesson, an American firearm manufacturer. The Model 29 gained immense popularity after being prominently featured in the Dirty Harry film series. Beretta 686 Silver Pigeon is a popular choice for supporting clays and bird hunting. This over-under shotgun has a timeless elegance with its finely crafted wood and engraved receiver. Browning Auto 5 is designed by John Browning. This semi-automatic shotgun features a distinctive humpback receiver and sleek lines that make it a beauty to behold. Winchester Model 1873, known as the gun that won the West. This lever-action rifle is both functional and aesthetically pleasing with its graceful curves and rich walnut stock. It was produced from 1873 to 1919. It is widely regarded as one of the most beautiful guns ever made. Colt Single Action Army is also known as the Peacemaker. This revolver is a classic icon of the American West with its sleek lines and elegant design. The Colt Single Action Army, also known as the Colt Peacemaker or simply the Single Action Army SAA, is a legendary 6-shot single-action revolver. It is widely considered one of the most beautiful guns ever made due to its elegant design, craftsmanship, and historical significance.